welcome to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a GIF on Canva. So I'll be showing you 3 different ways. The first way will be a fun moving cloud background, flashing words, and changing photos. So first we'll start with the fun background. So for the first thing you want to do is go to canva.com. There you will create a free account unless you already have one, or you can pay for the pro version. So once you have created a free account, you will go to create a design. So I usually do Instagram post, or you can search Instagram post. Perfect, and then this is your design area. So to create this fun moving background that I want to do, I will go on over to the left hand side and click on elements, and then I'm going to search for iPhone, and then I'm going to click on it, and then it will pop up, and then you can use these little bubbles to drag and make it bigger, make it a little bit bigger. Voila. And then I will go to my uploads, where I will have this cloud background that I will put into the phone. And I'll add some text just to show you. Just for simplicity, I'll just say it's cool. And there we go. So that is the first one. So to make the is copy that page. And then what you're going to do is double click in here and then move it slightly over to the right. And then you're going to copy that page and then double click in here and slightly move it over to the right. And then you have your GIF. And then we're going to go up here to where it says download. Click on the download button. We will just do JPEG for this one. You don't have to worry about the size or quality. And then we're going to do all pages and then click download. And we're gonna wait for it to download. Cool. As you see, I already had a document named cool. Anyway, so then the next thing we're gonna do is click on over to this gifmaker.me. This is where the GIF comes alive. Let me quickly unzip that. Alright, and then you're gonna upload your images. I will go to downloads and I will search for this one. Perfect. And then I'm going to click open. And then I'm going to zoom in. You can see it's kind of moving the background, and it's like a cloud effect. And then on here, I don't really do anything with canvas size, but you can make it go really fast. Hold on. Let me show you. Really fast. But I'm going to stay with at around 500, and then I keep that at 0, and then we're going to click create GIF animation, and then you can also view it, so you can see how the little background is moving. So I'm going to exit out of that, and then we're just going to download the GIF. Now if you're like me and you like to upload these onto your Instagram account, then this is not the last step for you. You're going to need to go to easygif.com/gif-2-mp4, and then what you're going to want to do is drag this GIF right here, because we're going to convert it to an MP4. And we're going to wait, and then here it is, and then I need to go down here and click this blue button, convert it to MP4. And voila, it's been converted. You can click on the save button and it should download right here. Perfect. And then I will open it, and now you can send this to your phone or wherever else you do with it. And now just to let you know, you can use a regular GIF like for email marketing or any other type of marketing thing that you might do on the computer. So alright, for the next GIF, which will be flashing words, we're just going to stay on Canva and go and create a new Instagram post. And for this one, we are going to use some text. So I'm going to add some text. Just for the sake of the video, I will type in flashing words. I will click on the copy page again. Oops, actually hit the delete button, that can happen. Copy page. I will change this lettering to a different color, possibly orange. And that's it. So I'm going to click on download over here, do a JPEG, do all of them. I'm just going to say flashing word. Okay, I'll do it again. Download these. And then let me go back to gifmaker.me. And we're going to upload these images. There we go. And then those will download. And voila, you see there's a flashing words, and then you can, I can zoom out, then you can just create GIF animation and download them and do the same process that I did before. So for the final one, it is the different changing photos. So basically I had like this tablet background. I can like quickly delete the photo. And so I just put the photos in. So I just have like different photos. This can be cool like on a website if you want to have like different changing photos. And so I just named it my name. So you download those again, which I have already done before, and go back to Gif Maker. Click upload those images. Let me go to and click open. And voila, I'm going to quickly create GIF animation so you can see what that looks like up close. And I have this fun little GIF of different photos of me and my name at the bottom. So these are 3 different ways that you can create really fun and exciting GIFs for your business, for your creative hustle, for your blog, or just for fun or anything. So I really hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check back next week for another fun video either on tech, design, social media, etc. Let me know if you want more Canva like tutorials. I'd be happy to make some more, but that's pretty much it.